Hi, Ann at Luke's Sewing Center in Tri-County, here to give you a quick tip on eliminating using fray check when you're serging. So I'll be using the Elna 864 Air for this demonstration. I love to use a serger. It's good for so many purposes besides strengthening seams. Do you know you can also put a zipper in? But let's get back to our tip. So I take my fabric, make sure that it's underneath the blade and the foot. I already have a tail here, which I'm going to bring around to the front, secure it underneath the foot, lower my foot. As I go, I'll go about 2 inches and then bring this over underneath the blade to cut it off. So what you find, it's secured in the seam, no need for the fray check. And that's our demo for today.